These are 12 cheap Chinese motorcycles that you probably never heard of, but you should. Some bikes cost a fortune and spend more time in the shop than on the road. Then there are ones that keep running mile after mile, year after year, without emptying your wallet or requiring constant repairs. They prove that reliable transportation doesn't require a second mortgage or a mechanical engineering degree. Number 12. CSC TT250 Enduro, the US value benchmark for stone simple durability. This bike costs just $2,995, with pre-order prices dropping as low as $2,495 on some colors. Add about $485 for shipping to most states, and you have a fully street-legal dual sport for less than many folks spend on a used scooter. The heart of this machine is an air-cooled 230cc single-cylinder engine based on the legendary Honda CG design. This engine philosophy has proven itself across decades and continents. It makes modest power, but here's the thing. It makes it reliably, starting easily whether the temperature is 20 degrees or 100 degrees outside. What makes the TT250 special is not just the engine, it's the support behind it. CSC stocks every single part in California, from gaskets to body panels. When you need a clutch cable or brake pads, they ship immediately. Their YouTube channel has step-by-step tutorials for every maintenance task you might face, and that's gold right there. Long-term owners report incredible mileage from these engines. China Riders Forum members document 50,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and valve adjustments. Some riders even report reaching 60,000 miles with the original engine internals still running strong. The secret is the conservative tuning and massive overbuilding relative to the power output. This engine could make more power, but then it would sacrifice longevity, and nobody wants that. The weak points are minor and easily addressed. Replace the soft factory chain within the first 2,000 miles to protect your sprockets. Check and retighten fasteners after the first few rides. Keep the spokes properly tensioned if you ride off-road. These simple steps transform a good bike into a great one. CSC backs this machine with a 1-year unlimited miles warranty, something almost unheard of at this price point. They answer their phones, respond to emails, and actually help when problems arise. For riders who want the cheapest possible dual sport that just runs and runs, the TT250 remains the value king. Number 11. CSC SG250 San Gabriel, bulletproof commuter simplicity in a cafe wrapper. At $2,495, this motorcycle shares the same proven engine as the TT250, but wraps it in classic styling. The minimalist approach extends beyond looks to the entire ownership experience. The 230cc engine delivers smooth, predictable power perfect for city riding. Counterbalancing keeps vibrations minimal even at highway speeds. The carburetor might seem old-fashioned, but it means no fuel pump failures, no sensor issues, no computer glitches. When something does need attention, any mechanic can diagnose and fix it. CSC provides the same outstanding support for the SG250 as they do for their dual sport. Parts availability, technical documentation, and warranty coverage make ownership stress-free. The classic styling attracts attention, but the reliability keeps you riding while others are wrenching. Urban riders particularly appreciate the lightweight and neutral handling. Lane splitting becomes effortless, and parking is never a problem. Fuel economy regularly exceeds 70 miles per gallon, making daily commutes incredibly affordable. For riders who want ultra-cheap, classically styled, easy-to-live-with city transportation, the SG250 is your ticket. Number 10. CF Moto 300 NK, modern commuter with strong warranty and improving reputation. Priced at $4,199, this naked bike offers features typically found on motorcycles costing thousands more. The 2-year factory warranty shows CF Moto's confidence in their product quality. The liquid-cooled 292cc single-cylinder engine produces 29 horsepower and 18.7 pound-feet of torque. These numbers might not set records, but let's be real. They provide plenty of performance for real-world riding. More importantly, the engine delivers this power smoothly and reliably, day after day. CF Moto's partnership with KTM has dramatically improved their manufacturing processes and quality control. While the joint venture focuses on larger displacement twins, the benefits cascade throughout the entire lineup. Better assembly procedures, improved supplier relationships, and stricter testing protocols show in every model. Owner feedback trends overwhelmingly positive for daily use reliability. Long-term YouTube reviews show bikes with tens of thousands of miles running perfectly. Reddit threads praise the handling, build quality, and dealer support. Minor issues like occasional sensor failures do crop up, but the warranty provides peace of mind. The 300 NK includes modern features like ABS, slipper clutch, and fuel injection as standard equipment. These aren't luxury add-ons, they're reliability enhancers that prevent common problems. For riders wanting contemporary technology with budget pricing and warranty protection, the 300 NK makes perfect sense. Number 9. CF Moto 450 NK, the budget twin that punches up. At $5,399, this parallel twin offers smoothness impossible to achieve with single-cylinder engines. The 449cc engine shares development with CF Moto's acclaimed sport bikes, inheriting their refinement and reliability. Twin-cylinder engines spread mechanical stress across more components, reducing wear on each part. The firing order naturally cancels vibrations that would require heavy counterbalancers in singles. This mechanical advantage translates directly to longevity, especially for riders who spend time at highway speeds. The modest specific output means the engine never works hard. Modern fuel injection keeps mixture perfect across temperature and altitude changes. The 2-year warranty covers any manufacturing defects, while the growing dealer network ensures service availability. These factors combine to create worry-free ownership. Riders consistently praise the smooth power delivery and refined feel. The extra displacement provides effortless passing power while maintaining excellent fuel economy. For buyers wanting twin-cylinder sophistication without premium pricing, the 450 NK represents the affordable sweet spot in today's market. Number 8. Benelli TNT135, the tough mini that takes a beating. Listed at $3,199 for standard colors or $3,269 for green, this tiny terror has earned a reputation for shrugging off abuse that would destroy lesser machines. SSR Motorsports provides distribution and warranty support across America. The 134.7cc 4-valve single might seem toy-like, but don't be fooled. The engineering is serious. Oil cooling maintains consistent temperatures even during extended wide-open throttle runs. This cooling advantage over Honda's air-cooled Grom proves crucial for riders who treat their minis like full-sized motorcycles. And trust me, plenty of people do. Long-term owners report remarkable durability with basic maintenance. Some document minor quality quirks like headlight alignment or wheel bearings that squeak, but these issues are easily resolved. The fundamental mechanical package remains solid through years of hard use. Parts availability through SSR's network keeps repair costs minimal. Benelli might be Italian in name, but Chinese manufacturing keeps prices reasonable. The Qianjiang Group has owned Benelli since 2005, using their massive production scale to deliver quality at prices impossible for European factories. This combo of Italian design and Chinese efficiency creates unique value. The TNT135 excels where other minis fail. Sustained high RPM operation. Whether you're blasting through city traffic or carving canyon roads, the oil-cooled engine maintains performance without overheating. For riders wanting a mini that tolerates abuse and costs peanuts to maintain, the TNT135 stands alone. Number 7. Lifan KPR200, commuter workhorse with rare 2-year parts warranty online. Frequently promoted between $2,899 and $3,299 by online retailers, this fully fared 200 offers features rarely seen at this price point. The standout is electronic fuel injection paired with liquid cooling. American Lifan backs online purchases with a 2-year, 12,000-mile parts warranty. While labor isn't included, the parts coverage provides confidence for home mechanics. Think about it. This warranty duration matches or exceeds many premium brands while costing a fraction of their prices. The 200cc platform has been refined over many years of production. Early carbureted versions prove the basic design's durability. Adding EFI and liquid cooling address the only weaknesses. creating a thoroughly modern package. 6-speed transmission provides relaxed highway cruising while maintaining acceleration. Multiple owner reports on Reddit and YouTube describe trouble-free daily use across tens of thousands of miles. Initial break-in smooths the gearbox considerably. Regular oil changes and valve adjustments are all that's required for long life. The combination of modern features and proven reliability makes the KPR200 hard to ignore. Number 6. Lifan KPM200. Cafe-styled sibling with the same proven guts. J.D. Power lists this model at $2,999, while retailers often advertise similar pricing to the KPR. The mechanical package remains identical, but wrapped in neo-retro styling that turns heads. The upright riding position suits riders who find sport bike ergonomics uncomfortable. LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and careful attention to styling details create a premium appearance. The same EFI system, liquid cooling, and 6-speed transmission ensure modern performance and efficiency. Owner feedback mirrors the KPR200's positive reputation. The mature platform means most bugs were worked out years ago. Parts commonality between models improves availability and reduces costs. Home mechanics appreciate the simple design and excellent access to service points. For riders preferring classic aesthetics with contemporary reliability, the KPM200 delivers both. The 2-year parts warranty available through online purchases provides additional peace of mind. This combination of style, substance, and support creates compelling value. Number 5. RPS Hawk 250 DLX EFI. The cheapest way to a plate outside California. Commonly advertised around $1,999 to $2,019 before freight and setup, this dual sport offers the absolute lowest entry price to plated off-road riding in 49 states. The familiar air-cooled 229cc single now features fuel injection for improved starting and altitude compensation. While quality control varies more than premium brands, careful initial setup rewards owners with surprising reliability. Success stories of 5,000 to 10,000 trouble-free miles appear regularly in forums. The key to Hawk ownership is thorough pre-delivery inspection. Replace the chain if it stretches quickly, confirm proper spoke tension, verify all electrical connections, and change the oil immediately. These steps might seem excessive, but here's a secret. They prevent most common problems before they start. Owner communities provide excellent support for these machines. Detailed guides cover everything from carburetor to EFI conversion experiences to suspension upgrades. Parts interchange with numerous other Chinese bikes using the same engine family. For riders needing the absolute cheapest dual sport who enjoy wrenching, the Hawk 250 DLX delivers. Number 4. Bashan Brozz 250 Recon. Surprisingly stout budget dual sport. Sale pricing as low as $1,479 plus shipping makes this the cheapest plated motorcycle available in many states. Peace Sports imports these machines with decent parts support and dealer coverage. Ride-A-Parts testing found surprising competence for the money, though assembly quality requires attention. Reddit's dual sport community generally approves, citing good cost-value ratios and decent longevity when properly maintained. The comfortable seat and street-biased gearing suit commuters better than trail riders. The same 229cc CG-based engine powers this machine reliably when given proper care. Initial setup remains critical, just like the Hawk. Early fluid changes, chain replacement, and fastener checks transform a budget bike into a dependable companion. Forum members report years of trouble-free commuting after proper initialization. For riders wanting street-legal dual sport capability at absolute minimum cost, the Brozz 250 punches well above its price. The street-biased setup makes more sense for commuting than serious off-road use. Urban riders needing economical transportation with light trail capability find excellent value here. Number 3. QJ Motor SRK 400. Twin-cylinder value backed by growing U.S. presence. Dealers list the 2025 SRK 400 at $4,799 with full EPA certification. As Benelli's parent company, QJ Motor benefits from established distribution channels and warranty support through SSR. The 400cc liquid-cooled parallel twin produces approximately 40.9 horsepower and 27.3 pound-feet of torque, according to international testing. These figures provide genuine highway capability, while maintaining the reliability advantages of conservative tuning. Early reviews praise engine smoothness and overall build quality for the price. US owners posting through late 2024 and early 2025 report minor issues like chain noise or squeaky rear brakes, but otherwise positive experiences. The 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty matches other SSR distributed brands. Parts availability continues improving as more dealers stock inventory. For riders wanting budget twin-cylinder performance with real highway legs under $5,000, the SRK 400 represents one of 2025's most interesting newcomers. The combination of proven mechanicals and expanding support network creates confidence for long-term ownership. Number 2. SSR Rascal 125, the cheapest street legal play bike with warranty. At $1,999 plus destination, this mini moto provides the absolute minimum entry to legal motorcycling. The 12-month limited warranty through SSR's dealer network adds value impossible to find in used bikes at this price. The simple air-cooled 125cc single makes minimal power, but that's partly the point. Low speeds mean less wear, cheaper tires, and reduced insurance costs. For new riders or those wanting basic transportation, excessive performance just adds expense and risk. SSR's widespread dealer coverage ensures parts and service availability nationwide. While performance falls short of the TNT135 or Grom, the price advantage is substantial. Basic maintenance keeps these simple machines running for years. The warranty provides peace of mind during the critical first year. For riders needing the very cheapest new motorcycle with legal protection, the Rascal delivers. Low purchase price, minimal operating costs, and warranty coverage create unmatched value at the bottom of the market. Sometimes the cheapest option is the smart play. Number 1. Kovi 450 Rally. Street legal, not cheap overall, but the cheapest rally-ready adventure bike. At $9,299 for the 50-state street legal version, this machine undercuts any comparable rally-styled motorcycle by thousands. For adventure riders dreaming of desert racing, this is the only affordable option. The lightweight Dakar bred design comes with genuine rally DNA and full EPA certification. Both low and high seat variants accommodate different rider heights. Built to cover huge distances at speed while carrying extra fuel, this machine delivers capability impossible to find elsewhere near this price. Real-world reviewers consistently express amazement at the value proposition. Cycle News called it remarkable in their May 2025 review, and they weren't exaggerating. Enthusiast Use has exposed some teething issues like venting quirks and initial parts logistics, but hey, Kovi USA's dealer network continues expanding through 2025. The 450cc single provides strong power throughout the rev range, while maintaining the simplicity crucial for remote area reliability. Proper maintenance and fastener checks reward owners with excellent performance and durability. For riders wanting genuine rally capability without spending $20,000 or more, the Kovi 450 Rally stands alone. These 12 motorcycles prove that reliable transportation doesn't require massive budgets or premium brand names. From the $1,479 Brozz to the $9,299 Kovi, each offers dependable service when properly maintained. Smart buyers choose based on their specific needs, perform thorough initial setup, and enjoy years of trouble-free riding. Bottom line, the key is matching your riding style to the right machine and following basic maintenance schedules.